Okay, so we will have another example here. So we have this arrangement. We have this setup, two cylinders with LS1 and LS2, LS3 and LS4. So that is the placement of the limit switches there, and we have the throttle valve set to 15%, and we have Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 for solenoid valves. And then we have here a ladder diagram, and push button here will enable to start Y3 first because I want the cylinder 2 to extend first. And then by LS4, reaching the LS4 will enable Y1 to extend, and together if these cylinders both are extended, the lamp will be turned on. So notice LS4 and LS2 there. LS4 will be the extreme extended position. LS2 likewise is extended position of cylinder 1. So that will energize the lamp. And then if I will press this push button, Y2 and Y4, Y2 and Y4 will be energized, and this enables both cylinders to retract. Okay, so we will test this one, and we will check whether there will be some errors on the program. Remember the rules. There will be only one signal for the for two-way valves, okay, to operate. Okay, and we will follow that rule. Okay, so we will start to simulate. Okay, so I will turn this on. Okay, so there you have the pressure signal in dark blue, and I will press this one. Okay, so the lamp turned on. You can see the lamp turned on, and I will press this push button to retract both cylinders. Okay, so there is a problem. So we are expecting both cylinders to retract, but I have to push this push button again in order for the cylinder 1 to retract. Okay, so there is a problem there because the plan there is to press the button, cylinder 2 will extend, and then cylinder 1 will extend, and then the lamp will be turned on. And then if I will press the push button again, both cylinders will be retracted together, okay, at the same time. Okay, so again we will check. Okay, so that meets our plan. And then pressing this push button again, we are expecting both cylinders to retract. Okay, again. Okay, so sometimes it would retract together, sometimes cylinder 1 will be delayed. Okay, so we'll check our problems there. Okay, so again we will press. Okay, and then you can see if I will press this push button, we are expecting Y2 and Y4 to be energized together, and both cylinders will be retracted. Okay, so we'll check cylinder 2. If I will press this one, Y4 will be energized, and Y3 should not be energized. Okay, so Y3 is here. There is no current for Y3. So Y3 is here. No current for Y3 because this push button is not pressed anymore. Okay, so there is no power for Y3, so Y4 has no problem. Okay, but if I will press this one together, Y4 and Y2 should be together, and then both cylinders will be retracted. So Y2 here, let us check for Y2. So Y2 is here, and Y1 should not be energized. But here Y1 is already energized because LS4 is already on. So we have to put a limit switch connected and for this LS4. Okay, so let us turn this off first. Okay, so Y1, okay, so both cylinders at this time will be extended. Okay, so the LS2 and LS4 is already reached by both cylinders. Okay, so the free limit switch here will be LS1 and LS3. Okay, so initially if you will press this push button, LS1 is being pressed and LS3 is also being pressed. Okay, so if I will push this button, both cylinders will leave LS1 and LS3. Okay, so we will use say for example we will use LS1 here. Okay, and I will delete this one. Okay, I will insert LS1 here. Okay, so I will copy one limit switch. Okay, and I will change this to LS1. I will transfer here. So you can see there is an arrow. There is an arrow symbol here because from the diagram LS1 is being pressed by cylinder 1 because all cylinders are in retracted position. Okay, so I will connect this one. Okay, so now we will try again to simulate. Okay, I will press now. Okay, so here LS1 is free. Y1 is free. Okay, so Y1 and Y2 can be this for two-way valve. Okay, will operate whenever Y2 will be triggered. Okay, or current is present for Y2, and then in this cylinder 1 will retract. How about for cylinder 2? Y4, Y3 is also free. Okay, so both cylinders are expected to be retracted together at the same time. Okay, so I will press this. Okay, so again, lamp lit, pressing again. Okay, again, and again. Okay, so LS1 is connected together with LS4 in AND configuration, and same thing for LS4 and LS2. LS2 and LS4 is also connected, and because the lamp will only be lit for the in the condition of both cylinders will be in full extended position. Okay, so both cylinders will extend first before the lamp will be energized. So again, okay, so LS4 and LS3, LS4 and LS2, I mean LS2, LS4, consider LS4 and LS2, lamp lit. Okay, so LS1 is unpressed because cylinder 1 is already extended, making Y1 free. Okay, so again, okay, okay, so that is our ladder diagram corrected according to our expected sequence. Okay, so thank you and study.